This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies very easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Also, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Don't forget your favorite mix-ins, like chocolate chips. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars. Beat this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Next, crack in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, stir in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until fully combined. It's time to bring everything together. Slowly add the dry ingredient mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Once the flour streaks are almost gone, gently fold in your favorite mix-ins. A good amount is about 1½ cups of chocolate chips or other additions. This ensures even distribution throughout the dough. Now for the best part, baking. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes. The edges should be golden brown, but the centers might still look a little soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.